Hi friends, in this video let us solve a Fourier series related question asked in GATE ECE 2003 paper. The question is, the Fourier series expansion of a real periodic signal with fundamental frequency f naught is given by GP t is equal to sum of n varies from minus n to plus n to t Cn e power j 2 pi nf naught t. It is given that C3 is 3 plus J5. What is C minus 3? So the signal is real and periodic. And they gave Fourier coefficient at 3, it is C3 plus J5. So for real and periodic signal, Fourier series has one property. For real and periodic signal, C of n or C of minus n is equal to CF plus n star. It is complex conjugate for real, right? So CF minus n is equal to conjugate of CF plus n. So CF minus 3 is what they asked. CF minus 3 is C3 conjugate. C3 is 3 plus J5. C3 conjugate is 3 minus J5. So the answer is option D. Thank you.